Imagine saving $500 every month effortlessly. That's exactly what we're building today. Welcome to Mickey Money AI, where we use AI to make money. Today, we dive into the $500 monthly savings rule nobody teaches. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to implement this strategy. Why does this matter? Well, according to a study by the Federal Reserve in 2026, only 40% of Americans could cover an unexpected $400 expense without borrowing or selling something. This rule can help you build a safety net and achieve financial freedom. It's not just about saving. It's about leveraging AI tools, tips, and tricks to make it happen. Before we start, here are the prerequisites. You'll need access to basic AI tools, a bank account, and a willingness to track your expenses. If you watched our previous video, I tested 5 AI tools. Only 2 worked in 2026. You already have a head start. Let's get into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Track your expenses. Start by tracking every dollar you spend. Use an AI budgeting app like Mint or Personal Capital. These apps sync with your bank accounts and categorize your spending automatically. It's like having a personal finance assistant working for you 24/7. Step 2. Identify wasteful spend. Once you have a clear picture of your spending, look for areas where you can cut back. Maybe it's those daily lattes or unused subscriptions. AI tools can highlight these patterns for you. According to a survey by NerdWallet in 2026, the average person wastes over $200 per month on unnecessary expenses. Step 3. Set up automatic savings. Now that you've identified savings opportunities, set up automatic transfers to a dedicated savings account. Many banks offer AI-powered savings features that round up purchases and transfer the difference. It's a small but powerful way to build your savings consistent. Step 4. Invest wisely. Don't let your savings sit idle. Consider investing in low-risk options like index funds or bonds. AI investment platforms like Betterment or Wealthfront can help you manage your portfolio with minimal effort. Remember, the goal is to grow your money while keeping risk low. Step 5. Review and adjust. Finally, review your progress regularly and adjust as needed. AI tools can provide insights and recommendations based on your financial behavior. It's like having a financial coach in your pocket. Now, let's talk about some pro tips. Tip 1. Use AI for bill negotiation. Did you know that AI can negotiate lower rates on your bills? Tools like Trim or BillShark can save you hundreds each year. It's like having a lawyer fight for your money. Tip 2. Leverage AI for cashback. Many AI-powered credit cards offer cashback on everyday purchases. Use these rewards to boost your savings. According to a report by creditcards.com in 2026, the average cardholder can earn over $500 in cashback annually. Here's where it gets interesting. Tip 3. Automate your debt payoff. If you have high-interest debt, use AI tools to create a payoff plan. Apps like Tally can prioritize your debts and save you thousands in interest payments. It's like having a financial wizard working on your behalf. But the real surprise is coming. By following these steps and using AI tools effectively, you can save $500 every month. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. Pay off debt, invest, or treat yourself. The choice is yours. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new niche content every single day. The next story is even crazier. Was she right to wait a whole year? Yes or no? Comment your verdict. Tomorrow, the sister's revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it.